Y'all, it's me, Kit Kat. Raylan, keep your face this way. It's a shame we gotta do that. But she's staying with NiNi tonight, so we make up our own games and stuff like that. It can be done. So, just a box and a little ball, and Ray's gonna show you. Me and her are playing up to 10 points. When you get it in the box, she gets to mark it off. Okay, go, Ray.
I don't read them anymore. I haven't read them in years.
Because they don't make sense, right?
They make sense to her. But they're making
Do they, when she goes back to him, if you say, what the hell are you talking
All right.
But it didn't stay in there.
Okay, go over and make a mark.
genius is the problem.
And she's going over to make a mark.
She'll connect them somehow.
Because here's an example, like text
Make her little mark under her name. And that's what we're doing. NiNi and Monkey Monk time. So from me to you, from Ohio, go Bucks. Go ahead, Ray. Show them one more time. And there she goes. Indoor basketball or whatever. I love you guys.